What's up guys, Chigs here, and today we are checking out Dyson's brand new Spot+Scrub AI robot vacuum. Now this thing promises powerful suction, intelligent AI cleaning, advanced stain scrubbing and futuristic navigation all in one package. But the question is, can it actually replace your regular vacuum? Well, we're about to find out. Roll the intro. So inside the box you will find a user guide and a quick start guide, two side roller brushes. You get the all-in-one charging station and a base or a ramp which sticks on like so. And last but not least, the robot vacuum itself. As for pricing, this thing comes in at around £849. So yes, this is definitely sitting firmly in flagship territory. Now, design-wise, straight away, this does not look like your average robot vacuum. Dyson has gone with a futuristic premium design that looks more like a smart home gadget from the future rather than a cleaning appliance. The build quality feels excellent throughout. You got premium materials, a very minimal clean finish, and overall it feels exactly like what you'd expect from a Dyson product. Now, despite being packed with sensors and cleaning hardware, it's surprisingly slim, which means it can still get underneath sofas, tables, and beds fairly easily. And in case you're wondering, the base station itself is around 48 centimeters in height. Now, on the top of the robot, we have a power and home button. There is a compartment here which says filter, and you can just press it to open it. So over here, we have the actual dust box and a removable filter. So you can open the dust compartment here, and you can empty it out manually if you want, but there is a charging station which does all of that for you, so you're never going to need to touch this unless you're cleaning the filter. The filter can be removed like so, and you can clean it and reuse it, so easy access there. Now in this gap, first of all, if I zoom in, you can see the LiDAR navigation system, and just underneath, along with all your other AI sensors. On the back there is another removable compartment which I'm about to remove and show you. That's your water tank right there. Again, you don't need to fill this up manually. It will take water from the charging station automatically. So you don't need to worry about that. Now up on top, you've got this interesting transparent design. That doesn't appear to be removable. There is another sensor on the back. And you have the charging pin so it can dock to the station and charge the actual unit. Now underneath the robot, we've got two side brushes which I've clicked into place. We've got a 360 roller so the robot can go in any direction it likes. We've got our main vacuum roller over here, which is removable. So you can take this part off with one clip, pull this out, and then you can clean this roller if you need to. And over here, we have this large roller, and that is the special Spot+Scrub cleaning system. Now, the charging station itself has a rather unique design with three compartments side by side, which is quite an interesting design. So two compartments are for your water, and they can just lift off like so. So that is your clean water tank, which you open like so. You fill this up to the maximum line, which is over here. Put it back in. The dirty water will automatically be collected in this compartment. And as soon as that gets full, you're just going to empty that. That is about all the maintenance you're going to do. And the third compartment over here is your dust compartment. So you've got a handle here. You press this red button and it just pulls away from the unit. So you can see we have a bagless design. And to empty the dust compartment, here's a button over here. When you press it, you can see the lid goes flying open. I'll do it again just to show you. The lid goes flying open and you can just empty the dust out. Now if we look inside over here, it says there washable filter. So you'll be able to open this up and you can see another filter here, and it looks exactly the same as the filter that we have in the robot vacuum, and they are both washable and reusable filters. If we just flip this thing around, I just want to show you. You can see the power socket behind and a cord wrap as well to keep things neat. So the entire system is powered by this single cable. Now, setup was actually really quick. You download the Dyson app and you just simply follow the on-screen illustrated instructions, so you just can't go wrong. And you connect the robot to your home Wi-Fi and it shows you the progress on screen. And within a few minutes, you'll be connected to your robot. Now, after you've paired up with the robot and connected to Wi-Fi, it's going to ask you to map your home. So you simply start this process. And the mapping speed is seriously impressive. Within minutes, it's already scanned multiple rooms and created a smart map of the house. The app itself feels polished and responsive, which is something I really appreciate because some robot vacuum apps feel terrible. Inside the app, you can create cleaning zones, set schedules, adjust suction levels, change water levels, create no-go areas, save multiple floor maps, and enable spot cleaning. And overall, the whole experience feels very premium and user-friendly. Now let's talk about the actual cleaning performance. This robot vacuum has a maximum suction power of 18,000 pascals, and that suction power is crazy powerful. This thing absolutely destroys dust, crumbs, pet hair, cereal, dirt, and pretty much anything else you throw at it. On carpet especially, you can really notice the strong suction. Compared to cheaper robot vacuums, this feels much more aggressive and thorough with dirt pickup. I tested this on hard floors, rugs, carpets, kitchen mess, pet hair, and overall the results were excellent. You can literally see vacuum lines left behind on carpet, which is always satisfying. Edge cleaning is pretty decent too, although like most robot vacuums, corners still aren't completely perfect. Now this is one of the main features Dyson is heavily promoting, the Spot and Scrub system, which is designed to intelligently detect dirtier areas and apply more focused scrubbing instead of simply dragging a wet cloth across the floor. And surprisingly, it actually works quite well. When the robot detects tougher spots, you can see it slowing down and focusing extra cleaning effort on that area. I test coffee stains, sauce spills, dusty footprints, and dried marks. And for general everyday cleaning, the results were genuinely impressive. Now, obviously, this is not replacing a full deep manual floor clean for heavily dried stains. But compared to most robot mops, this feels significantly smarter and more effective. A lot of robot vacuums out there basically just wipe your floor politely. This one actually scrubs it quite well. Now this is where things get seriously futuristic. The AI obstacle detection works extremely well. The robot can recognize and avoid shoes, cables, furniture, random objects, pet bowls, small obstacles, and most importantly, it rarely gets stuck because there's nothing more annoying than a robot vacuum getting trapped somewhere every 5 minutes. Navigation overall feels very intelligent and methodical. Instead of randomly bouncing around like a confused shopping trolley, the Dyson moves with purpose and follows clean, structured paths. It also transitions between different floor surfaces very smoothly. Now, because this is a Dyson product, I expected it to sound like a jet engine, especially with that 18,000 pascals of power. But surprisingly, it's actually not too bad. On standard mode, it's perfectly manageable for everyday cleaning. Now on maximum suction, yes, it definitely gets louder, but you are getting serious cleaning power in return. Now the loudest part is probably the self-emptying dock, but this is expected anyway from most premium robot vacuums. Now battery life has been solid overall. On a full charge, this comfortably handled most of my downstairs cleaning without any issues. And when the battery gets low, it automatically returns to the dock, charges itself, and then continues cleaning exactly where it left off, with minimal maintenance or effort from your side. This robot vacuum system will auto-empty, wash the mops and dry them as well, and refill waters when required. So overall the experience feels very hands-free, and this one does not require constant attention. So there you have it guys, that was the Dyson Spot and Scrub Robot Vacuum, and here are my thoughts. Now this Dyson product gets a lot right. The suction power is genuinely impressive, especially on carpets where it leaves visible vacuum lines and pulls up dirt extremely well. The AI navigation is also very smart, moving around furniture smoothly while creating highly accurate room maps inside the app. Combined with the excellent app experience, the whole system feels very polished and easy to use. The Spot and Scrub system is another highlight. Unlike many robot maps that simply drag a damp cloth around, this actually focuses on dirtier areas and applies more aggressive scrubbing when needed. Carpet cleaning performance is strong overall, and the premium build quality helps the product feel like a proper flagship robot vacuum. Now, most importantly, it delivers a very hands-free experience once everything is set up. Now, that being said, there are a few caveats to consider. The biggest one is obviously the price, because this sits firmly in the premium category. Now, corner cleaning could also still be improved, as the robot sometimes struggles to reach full tight edges. Deep or heavily dried stains may also require manual cleaning, and one feature I would have liked to see is manual remote control for spot cleaning specific areas yourself through the app. So bottom line, the Dyson Spot+Scrub AI robot vacuum feels like a genuinely smarter approach to robot cleaning rather than just another app-controlled gadget. What impressed me the most was how consistent and reliable the experience felt during daily use. The navigation is smooth, the automation works well, and the Spot+Scrub system actually feels useful instead of gimmicky. And yes, this is clearly a premium product, but if you want a futuristic robot that can genuinely take over a big part of your floor cleaning routine, this thing is seriously impressive. Anyways, guys, that is my review of the Dyson Spot+Scrub AI robot vacuum. Let me know in the comments, would you actually trust an AI robot to clean your house properly? I hope you found the video useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.